State and local governments are facing unprecedented budget challenges. We're looking at an enormous wave of budget shortfalls about to crest, which will lead to a devil's cocktail of devastating layoffs, dangerous cuts to public safety and essential services, and massive local tax increases. Any one of those ingredients alone threatens to make this economic crisis even worse, and the combination of all three is almost unthinkable. The Bureau of Labor Statistics just reported that state and local governments laid off nearly 1 million workers in the month of April. That's almost 1 million firefighters, police officers, teachers, emergency health personnel that should be on the front lines of the public health crisis, but are sidelined instead. So, Chairman Powell, let me just start by asking, do you agree that our economy will get worse if state and local governments are forced to lay off even more firefighters, police officers, teachers, and emergency health personnel?
Um, well, let me say what we are doing, Senator. We have a liquidity facility that is there to address the short-term liquidity needs that these entities have because of their loss of revenue due to the effects of the pandemic. And that's really the tool that we have to
I
support
appreciate
these.
that, I appreciate that, but that's not my question. My question is, if states, counties, municipalities continue on the path to lay off, we have 1 million laid off, even more. Uh, just from a economic situation, doesn't that make the economic recovery even worse?
Essentially, yes, Senator. And we have the evidence of the global financial crisis and the years afterward where state and local government layoffs and lack of hiring did weigh on economic growth during the period.
Well, one of the tools we have to alleviate this problem is by using the money Congress provided in the CARES Act to bring down borrowing costs for our state and local governments so they can set the stage for a strong recovery. I was glad to see the Federal Reserve support local governments through the municipal lending facility, but frankly, I don't think it's enough. In a letter that I, Senators Tillis, Brown, and Murkowski sent to you and Secretary Mnuchin last week, we called on the Fed to establish another facility, one that would purchase medium and long-term municipal bonds both directly from issuers as well as on the secondary market, and thereby ensure our state and local governments can continue to finance key public services and invest in infrastructure and other areas to jumpstart our economy and get Americans back to work. Will you commit to work on that proposal that the senators sent to you?